Hey guys, what's up? Mohammed Desai from F16 Media. So today we're gonna talk about the garage door leads, the most crucial part in getting leads for your business because garage door leads are very expensive in the market and very hard to generate. So we are currently helping garage door companies to get minimum 100 pre-qualified leads every month. Pre-qualified lead means that the customer is actually looking for a garage door repair and they're going to share their name, number, email, garage door problem they have, and their address and zip code with you, and you have to call them and make an appointment and go there and give a free estimate and make a sale on the spot. So that's how we go. So on Google Ads, of course, like there are two parts. The first one is Google Ads, and the second one is Facebook Ads. The Google Ads is the most expensive part of doing garage door lead generation, but it is good. Okay, like if you have a budget for $500 a day, or minimum $300, $400, or $500 a day budget, so you can literally go for Google Ads and make a crazy ROI through Google Ads. But if you're looking for a volume, because in Google Ads you don't have a volume, but in Facebook Ads you have a volume. How? Let me tell you this. Like if anyone has searched, if anyone has even messaged anyone for garage or repair, so Facebook is so powerful that they're gonna track the text they have sent to anyone. Like John is sending a text to our wife that, hey, I'm looking, I think that we need a garage or repair. So if he opens Facebook, so your ad is gonna be there, and he can simply call you to for a free estimate or to repair his garage or open our springs or a roll or whatever it is. So that's how it goes. But the point here is that on Facebook we have a good customer. How? Like expensive customer, like opener repair, roller repair, garage door installation. We don't have small tune-ups. In Google Ads, we have a lot of tune-ups. Okay. So we waste a lot of money, but at Facebook ads, we do not have that tune-ups. We have like thick repairs. Like I mean, the minimum money you will be having with a single lead will be $400. $400 with a single lead with when you do garage repair. So that's how it goes. So right now we are doing Facebook ads and we are targeting the homeowners who are actually looking for garage repairs and installation. So the first thing first, if you are looking for garage repairs and installation leads and you want us to help you, so you can visit our website f16media.agency, and you can click on the how can F16 Media help, and click on the garage door repair installation business link, and here you will come and here you will be landed and see the video that how we can help you. So basically we will use Facebook ads for you and we target the homeowners, and we're gonna show your ad to them, and they will gonna click your ad and they're gonna drop their name, number, email, the problem they have, and the phone number, and you have to call them and make an appointment. That's the first thing. And now you will be thinking that how we are generating leads. So let me show you the leads, that how we are actually generating leads. I'm going to show you the live results and the money we have spent on the advertising, and also uh, because these are the most recent results for garage doors. So this is the first one, the most recent, where we have generated 633 leads, and out of 633, like approximately 500 would be the qualified leads, and each lead is approximately $13, and we have spent approximately $8,396 in all over. This is also for garage door installation. 129 leads generated for $10 each. $9.40, 10.65. The average cost per lead is like $12 to $13. Okay, no, $10 in average cost per lead. This is also for a garage repair. 61 leads generated for $20.44, and actually these were the qualified. So every lead in this 61 leads, every lead was a pre-qualified lead because we asked several questions to them, so they answered it all. And this is also like 72 leads generated for a garage or company. So what is the next step if you are willing that F16 Media should help you for your garage door repair and installation business to get you more leads and appointments? All you have to do is just to come on our website, okay, f16media.agency. There is the link in our bio, and click on the Get Me Started button. Okay, here is our Calendly page. All you have to do is just to select any time. Okay, anytime you're willing, like for example 1 a.m. Okay, put your name, email, phone number, what is your current advertising budget, your business name or website, and fill up the form. And when you schedule the event, it will be automatically updated on your Google Calendar, and we can simply hop on a call and show you that how we can help you to get crazy leads and appointments for your garage or business, and we can get you started. So if you have a long-term plan and you're looking for crazy leads and appointments for your garage or business in the longer run, we can help you with our proven strategy, and we are having a lot of references. If you want, we can provide you with our references and show you that how we can help you to get crazy leads and appointments. So again, if you're looking for a minimum 100 pre-qualified leads for your garage or business in the next 30 days, all you have to do is just to come on our website and click on this button and schedule a call, or simply click on the WhatsApp button, okay, or simply message us on Messenger. We have all the links in description. You can contact us through any link you like, and we are looking forward to help you out with your garage door repair and installation business. Thank you for watching and have a good one. God bless you. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe it. Thanks.